And here you need to set your daily budget. Google is automatically going to recommend you an average daily budget. You can go with this if you want to. It's going to break down what you can expect here. It says 276 weekly clicks, an average cost per click of $1.55, and a weekly cost of $426. For me, I'm going to go down and click on Set Custom Budget. And for my cleaning services, I think I'm okay with spending $100 a day for my budget. The key for this is that your budget just has to make sense for your business and your numbers. If you set this too low, you may barely get any traffic, which means you won't collect enough data to learn what's working. But you also don't want to spend blindly. A simple way to think about it is this. If one booked cleaning job for me is worth around $200, then spending less than that to get a lead or booking is what I'm aiming to do. You're not going to get this perfect on day one, but you need enough budget to actually test things. And here, once again, you're going to see your weekly clicks, your average cost per click, and your weekly cost. It's totally fine to start at less than $100 per day. Just make sure it makes sense for your business and your keywords. With that done, let's go down and click on Next.